Hey there, my name is Brian, and in this video, we're going to look into one of the courses that I'm teaching on Skillshare. More about Skillshare on the description down below. So essentially, this is one of the courses that I'm teaching on Skillshare. This is all about using the Procreate to achieve this look. This looks like very hard to do, but don't worry. I'll be guiding you step by step. You will learn how to color grade, how to clip images. This is kind of like a trailer to what the course is all about. So by the end of the course, you will be able to create this kind of trippy look, and hope you will like it. And all you need is a Procreate, your Apple Pen, and that's it. Let's get started. So first off, I'm going to create a new canvas, insert the photo, put a color image overlay, and I'm going to blend it as like overlay, and I'm going to color grade it and intensify the color of the image itself. So it's easier to modify the colors, and I intensified the darkness, and I'm going to select the windows, and it's going to be easy to select since the shape are so geometric. So that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, and once I finish with my selection, I'm going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to select the layer, color fillet with this color, and I'm going to Gaussian blur it so the light is not too harsh. And I'm just gonna keep doing this until I achieve the look, and I will even intensify and color grade it even more. I'm gonna be using the curve as well to achieve the look that I'm looking. I'm gonna create chromatic aberration so it's a little bit more trippy, and put some lights all over by using the light pen. And I'm going to carefully insert the Saturn here, and I'm gonna select it carefully, and I will mask it. After this one, as you can see, I'm going to the layer, mask it, and I'm going to clip it or merge it, and I'm gonna color grade it to match the color look as like a magenta or purplish color. And I'm gonna put star overlay as well on the image, so to achieve a more starry look and lots of light, and so it's a little bit more dynamic. I'm putting the moon right here, and I'm gonna put a bloom effect, so it's casting some lights overlay of the moon, and I'm going to soften the edge of Saturn so it doesn't look sharp. So it looks more dynamic than it's very sharp. And I am just going to apply more filters and filters after filters to achieve the look I'm looking. And I'm putting a kind of like a blue cast or overlay to the image, so it has that more like orange and teal, but this one is like a orange and magenta look. And I'm putting kind of like a meteorite right here, so it looks a little bit more apocalyptic and something to look at for sure. And I'm putting pretty much somewhere so it looks more engaging and it doesn't look boring for sure. And I'm trying to make a kind of like a dreamy vibe right here. It's kind of smoky but the same color. And yeah, I'm just putting all the images together and blending them, and so they look a little bit more real and all that. So I think I'm done here, and I'll see you on Skillshare.